The MEXC Spot Futures to MT5 service is provided by the TradingFinder team. Traders can download the expert file from this section and read this page to learn about how the service works and its features. From the Navigator section, we select the service file and run the expert in this section. Before running the service file, we go to the Tools tab, then to the Options section, and from the Expert Advisors tab, we enable the Allow WebRequest option. In this section, we need to enter two URLs related to the MEXC exchange. Here I am entering the URL for MEXC Futures and the URL for MEXC Spot in this section. After that, I click Confirm. You can copy these two URLs from the website and paste them here. After that, we can run the service, and by running the service in the Experts tab, we can see the message indicating that the data has been fed. Here, 2,414 pairs have been fed for spot, and 755 pairs data have been received for futures in this section. We go to the Market Watch section, and here by right-clicking we enter the Symbols section, and from the Custom folder we go into the MEXC folder. Here we can see the pairs related to the spot and futures of the MEXC exchange and select the desired symbols. Here I select two symbols, one symbol for spot and one symbol for futures. This service transfers the coins and pairs available on the MEXC exchange to MetaTrader 5, and every tick that occurs on the exchange is captured based on its high, low, open, and close data. It then constructs the candles on the MetaTrader 5 platform, so with each price tick, the prices are updated on this platform and new candles are created. This expert advisor receives real-time futures and spot market data through the official MEXC Exchange API and displays them as price charts for us so that we can perform our analysis on the chart within this platform. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are two options available to us. The first option is for the number of candles that it retrieves from the MEXC Exchange and displays for us. In this section, we can set a minimum of 300 candles and a maximum of 10,000 candles. And the next option is for when we want to open two or more charts of the same symbol and want their number of candles to be equal. For example, we have one symbol, but we've opened different charts of it in various time frames. And if this input is set to true, the number of candles on each chart will be equal to 1000 candles. But if it's set to false, the chart with the higher time frame will take the candles from the chart with the lower time frame and construct its own candles from them. Here, the data taken from each chart is displayed for us in the lower section, showing that the first symbol has had 1000 candles of its data fed, and the second symbol has also had 1000 candles of its data fed to us. If I open a second chart for the second symbol by right-clicking and selecting the chart window option, the second chart will be opened for me with a plus symbol, and its data will be received. If I want to open a third chart as well, I right-click on the second symbol and its second chart, and here, from the second chart, I open the third chart, which will be displayed with a double plus symbol. Here I set the first chart to the 5-minute time frame. I set the second chart to the 30-minute time frame. and I carefully set my third chart to the 4-hour time frame, which is a significant period. You can see all this data in the section below. If I were to set the second option within the settings to false, and subsequently wish to open a second additional chart for my specifically desired symbol, I would then proceed to set the second chart to the 1-hour time frame, and from that point open the second chart from there. Every chart we open is automatically set to the 1-hour time frame, and when we set the second option to false, both charts run in the same time frame, and the data they receive and display are identical. If I change the second chart to a higher time frame than the first chart, for example to 4 hours, it will display its data for me, but the number of candles it shows will be fewer. In the first chart, it displays 1,000 candles for me, and its data gets compressed. But in the second chart, the number of candles it displays for me is 250, which it has received from the first chart, and it has constructed the candles for me in the 4-hour time frame. And if I want to switch to time frames lower than my first chart, it doesn't display their data for me, and instead shows me the same data from the 1-hour time frame. Right now we're in the 15-minute time frame, and my first chart is in the 1-hour time frame, but it doesn't show me data for time frames lower than 1 hour. This service is very useful for traders who want to analyze in the MetaTrader 5 platform, and they can easily perform their analysis in this platform based on the data provided and displayed by this service. However, the ability to trade in this platform does not exist, and users can only conduct their own analyses. Well friends, we've reached the end of this service tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.